वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। वलनब्लुवन्नकुम बिशैइन मिनल खौफि वल-जू'i व नक़सिम मिनल अम्वालि वल अंफुसि वस्समरात वबश्शिरिस साबिरीन। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। वक़ाल नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Syed Masood Azhar, son of Maulvi Abdul Salam Rashadi. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. India got 15th August 1947 from the British rule. Independence Day is the national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to protect independence of India. India God remains as the sacrifice of our great freedom fighters. The day teaches us the power of unity. We harness national flag on this day, or we sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum.